Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Waterpik WP 580 flosser is not charging and you are seeing no response when you place it on the charger, it can be frustrating because the device becomes unusable. Sometimes the flosser may appear completely dead, while in other cases it may charge very slowly or inconsistently. This issue often happens due to poor connection, incorrect placement on the charger, or buildup on the charging points. Since this model uses a specific charging setup, even a small misalignment can stop the charging process. Many users think the battery has failed, but in most cases, the problem is much simpler and can be fixed easily. It is important to go through a few checks step by step to restore proper charging. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Waterpik WP 580 flosser that is not charging. Try these. 1. Plug the Waterpik WP 580 flosser charger into a working power outlet properly. 2. Place the Waterpik WP 580 flosser correctly on the Waterpik WP 580 flosser charger. 3. Clean the charging contacts of the Waterpik WP 580 flosser and the Waterpik WP 580 flosser charger. 4. Remove the Waterpik WP 580 flosser from the charger and place the Waterpik WP 580 flosser again carefully. 5. Check the cable of the Waterpik WP 580 flosser charger for any damage. 6. Leave the Waterpik WP 580 flosser on the charger for some time and check if charging starts.